My name is Yuka Sasaki. I'm from Japan. I moved to Adelaide 2019 and then joining Salford in June 2022. Because I wanted to be carpenter in Japan, but it's not like common. I couldn't study in Japan, so I tried to study in Adelaide. My goal is become a professional carpenter in future. So far, we learned how to build a house, do the wall framing, and roofing as well. Normally, we start 7 a.m. in workshop. We have a little meeting in the morning and what we do today, what is the goal for today. I like studying in Salford because most of students and the teacher is very nice and kind. So I'm happy to be in Salford. Actually, I like all of them. It's tough sometimes, but I enjoy it. We actually build a house or build something, for example, workbench, toolbox, and also we can use a tool in workshop, so good for us have a experience. For me, my first language is English, so sometimes I couldn't understand the English, but everyone is so nice and helped me a lot, so a little bit difficult, but it's okay. When we met first time, everyone shy and then nervous, especially me. But after 1 month, we can talk each other and then help each other and having a good time. I had no experience as a carpenter before, and then I have no idea how to build the house, but he has been always kind. He knows about the work site, so sometimes very strict, seriously to teach us, oh, this is not right, but it's good for us because we can learn. He's also nice because when I get struggling something to build, teach me how to improve or solution or whatever. Yeah, I'm happy to live in Adelaide. It's not like a big city, but it's very calm and then more nature. And also, you can go anywhere in 30 minutes. I love it. Join me to study carpentry.